every time if we take the circumference and diameter ratio, there is a fixed number. There will be a fixed number. The ratio, the value of that ratio is always a fixed number. That fixed number is 3.14159. This type, this fixed number is called the pi, the value of pi. This pi, the value of pi is 3.14159 and so on. And this, since this pi is an irrational number, the meaning of irrational number is after decimal place, that number, the decimal place will never finish or will never terminate. So there will be a number if we take the circumference and diameter ratio every time. That gives a fixed number. That fixed number is called pi, and the value of pi here I try to show that if we take the diameter is 1, then and the circumference, the length of circumference will be greater than 3, and there is a fixed value. This value I indicate here as 1. Here C1, this one is a smaller circle. This circle is greater than this one, and this one is the larger circle. You see here, if we take C1 divided by D1, that is the circumference of this circle divided by the diameter of this smaller circle. And if we take again, that is C2 divided by D2. And lastly, C3, that is circumference of large circle divided by the diameter of large circle. The result always give a fixed number. That number is called pi. Just see, okay. This length is circumference, and if we take the diameter, the diameter of this circle is, or if the diameter of wheel is 1, then the circumference, that is this circumference gives a value that is greater than 3. That value is called pi. That is a ratio of circumference and diameter of a circle is pi. That is, the value of pi is 3.14159 and so on. This decimal place will never terminate. That is area of circle. How we can find the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi into r square. That is pi into the radius square of radius. Pi into radius times radius. Here you see a circle. We cut this circle into 16 equal pieces. We take 1, 3, 5, 7, that is odd number in this way. We arrange the odd number piece in this way. 1, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. And others, the even number pieces, we arrange it in this way. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 14, then 16. To make this one as a rectangle, we try to make this one as a rectangle. Then if we cut this piece in very small, then we get this type of piece. You see this one. This one just exactly looking like a rectangle. This length. This one, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14, and 16. Okay. That is half of the circumference. Half of this circumference. Okay. This circumference. The circumference of circle is 2 pi r. You see, here total part is 16. If we take 16, then we cover the whole part. That is, this one is 2 pi r. Okay, this one is the circumference. That is starting from here to cover all the distance and come back here. That is 2 pi r, because this one is the circumference. From this piece, we take half piece here and half piece here. So this length should be half of the circumference. That is pi into r. And what will be the length of this one? That is from center to any point of the circumference. This one is represent the radius. So this length should be r. So the area of the circle is equal to the area of this rectangle. The area of the rectangle, that is length times breadth, where the length is half of the circumference and the breadth is equal to the radius. But you have to take the slide as many as possible, not only 16. If we take 16, this figure looks like a parallelogram, but not rectangle. You will see here. First one, this one is not complete. If we make slice more than this one, then this one is approximately a rectangle, but not exactly a rectangle. But if we take so many slices, then this one will look like a exactly rectangle. You see here, this one is exactly look like rectangle. The area of the circle is equal to area of this rectangle is length times breadth, where length is the half of circumference and breadth is radius. So half of circumference, that is half into circumference. Value of circumference is 2 pi r, or you can write just pi r. The radius is just r. So the area of this one, this all slide or all slides, which gives the value of the area of this circle, is value is pi r times r. That is, the value is pi r